Imagine that the chair you're sitting on, the potted flower next to you, and even the walls around you might possess an internal mind. What if the universe itself is fully awake, just like you? This intriguing concept is known as panpsychism, the idea that everything has a mind or mind-like quality. The term panpsychism was coined in the late 16th century by Italian philosopher Francesco Patrizzi. He combined the Greek words pan, meaning everything, and psyche, meaning soul or mind, to describe a distinctive soulfulness inherent in all creation. But this idea dates back even further to ancient Greece, where astronomers, mathematicians, and philosophers pondered the nature of consciousness and the soul. Fast forward to today, and the scientific community is still divided. Some researchers believe panpsychism offers a compelling explanation for consciousness, a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for centuries. Could it be that the very fabric of the universe is conscious, and that every particle experiences some form of awareness? On the other hand, skeptics argue that consciousness is a complex product of biological processes, confined to brains and nervous systems. They see panpsychism as a philosophical curiosity rather than a scientific reality. For them, the idea that inanimate objects could possess a mind is nothing more than a fanciful notion. So what makes this debate so compelling? The answer lies in the mysterious nature of consciousness itself. Despite advancements in neuroscience and quantum physics, the fundamental question remains: how does subjective experience arise from physical matter? To delve deeper, let's hear from leading voices in the field. Some proponents of panpsychism, like philosopher David Chalmers, argue that our current understanding of consciousness is incomplete, without considering that it might be a fundamental feature of the universe. Others, such as neuroscientist Christoph Koch, suggest that even the simplest forms of matter might possess proto-consciousness. Complex systems theory also provides intriguing insights. It suggests that consciousness might emerge from the interactions within highly interconnected networks. This view aligns with panpsychism, proposing that the interconnectedness of all matter in the universe could give rise to universal consciousness. Beyond philosophical debates, considering panpsychism leads to fascinating practical questions and ethical implications. For instance, if all matter possesses some form of consciousness, how does this change our relationship with the environment? Could it revolutionize how we approach artificial intelligence and the development of conscious machines? Speaking of AI, some researchers are exploring how panpsychism might inform the creation of artificial consciousness. If consciousness is a fundamental property of matter, then advanced AI systems might not just simulate thought processes, but could potentially become truly aware. Environmentalists argue that panpsychism could foster a greater sense of responsibility towards the planet. If we see all elements of nature as possessing intrinsic value and consciousness, it might drive more sustainable and ethical practices. In the grand scheme of things, panpsychism challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos. It bridges the gap between science and spirituality, offering a holistic view of the universe. While the scientific community continues to debate the exploration and understanding of consciousness in all its many forms, it remains one of the most deeply profound quests of our time. Whether you find the idea of a conscious universe thrilling or absurd, it challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Are we the only sentient beings? Or is the entire universe brimming with a hidden consciousness? As scientists continue to explore these questions, one thing is clear. The nature of consciousness is one of the greatest mysteries we have yet to unravel. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content.